Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins for KLKN Channel 8 News, and we're looking for snow. I think I found some. We'll see, though. One model says yes, another one says no. We'll see. This is, okay, this first thing we're going to look at is just kind of an overview. It shows the rain, shows the snow, if there's any mixed precipitation, but it doesn't show the snowfall potential, which is kind of what I'm doing here. But this is just an overview. This is as of 2 a.m. Thursday morning, so late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Rain starts to spread across western and central Nebraska, then basically changes over to snow fairly quickly as cold air moves in early Thursday morning, and then stays snow in central Nebraska. Now this is going to make a beeline north very quickly, and there it is. That's about as close as it gets to Lincoln and Omaha. It's now north of Interstate 80, and it continues that way, headed north by Thursday night. So that's kind of the overview of what one model says. Let's see how much, all the other models say for snowfall potential. How much snow do we think we're going to get? This is the first one we're looking at says that first one was lies. So model number 1 says nope, probably not going to happen. Model number 2 looks like this. This was more in line with that first thing we looked at. 1, 2, maybe 3 inches of snow, says a half an inch in Lincoln, an inch to an inch and a half from York to Grand Island. Looks like the bullseye would be just right around Lexington, between Broken Bow, North Platte, Kearney, and Grand Island, where it could be 2 or 3 inches. So that's model number 2. Model number 3, let's see. That's kind of similar to that first thing that we looked at. 1 or 2 to 3 inches, maybe 4 inches in some spots. Everything staying in central and western Nebraska. So, okay, 2 or 3 inches makes sense. It's kind of on par with what we've been seeing. This is model number 4. Nothing really on that one, so not too excited about that one. And then model number 5, let's take a look. This one, a little bit higher. In some spots for southwest Nebraska, but then everything kind of fizzles out after that. So what we're learning here is that all of these models, these 4 or 5 different models that we've been looking at, is saying that basically it's the western half of the state, and generally 2 to 3 inches, maybe a little bit higher in some spots. Like this one's too high in southwest Nebraska, but 2 or 3 inches, maybe 4 inches in some spots a little less, like an inch or so. For the western half of the state, and that kind of makes sense. So this is the second day in a row where we've seen a decent potential for snowfall as we head through Thursday. Let's see, today's Tuesday, and it's about 8:30 at night when I'm recording this. So, we're close enough that all of the models are kind of coming in now. So we might look at this one more time tomorrow night and see what Thursday holds. But for now, it looks like the western half of the state, a couple inches of snow. That's about what we have. See ya.